welcome back to my channel. So I think it's time. I just took down my braids. I'll be 1 year post relaxer on the 23rd of this month, and I think it's time. It's time to just let it go and let my hair flourish. So you couldn't tell already, I'm about to big chop the hair, and it's late at night, and I'm going to wash it because I had to use conditioner and water to get the gunk out of the roots. So I'm gonna just do it because y'all didn't come here to hear me talk. So as of tonight, I'll be natural. Let's do it. And let's start from the back. I have them in twists, so I am just going to do them like that. Ooh, just use the big one. I should turn more to the hair so that you guys can have a. Alright, yeah. So, like I said, guys, I stopped. If you watch my last chit chat video, you'll see where I basically talked about what led me here. But if you didn't, it was no epiphany or anything like that. I just got tired of the whole, taking hours out of my day to get a relaxer, and it just went and went and went until, and I braided and braided and braided until I just couldn't anymore. I'm looking over there because the mirror is there, and I'm done. Okay, just get to it. I don't know how people do it with all the thing running down. I don't think that I can do that, but let me just start. I'm not even gonna mess with it. Like, let's just get it done. You see, it's better lighting here from. Woof. Me can't see. Me cannot see. Let me just try and. Actually, the light here might be better. Just work with me, guys. Work with me, work with me, work with me. Ooh. I think I can't really tell. It was odd. If this is the pace I'm keeping, we're gonna be here all night. All night. This is where the least relaxer is, because I've been braiding for a year, and literally I'll just take out the braid, wash it, and put it back. But I've also been cutting off like 2 or 3 inches. So if we're gonna be fair, there's really not much damage there. So like my hair wasn't damaged, not really. Well, if you're gonna be technical about the relaxer, whatever, but I'm a relaxer girl through and through, and I've been since, you know, I was 12. I tried going natural once when I was 16. Within a week, I went. Watch out, you can't see. And I got my relaxer back.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Look. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
I got like 3 inches of hair. If that much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh god, this feels good. My hair feels so light. And I have to tell you guys, I'm not going to tell you a story about how, oh, my hair is damaged or I found myself and all that good stuff. No. Me, love my creamy crack. I'm a relaxer girl through and through. My relaxed hair was healthy. If anything happened to it, I could just always wear braids for a couple of weeks, like 3 or 4 weeks, trim. And I'd be good to go again. Ooh. Because my hair grows really fast. Ooh. I see some people. Ooh. Ooh. Where you going, honey? This is not your time. This is not your area anymore. Trying to catch this rogue curl. I mean, there are definitely some pieces that I didn't get, but being a professional, but that's not that's out here. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Thank you, y'all didn't even understand. I'm about to go wash it, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's not gonna hurt. Which it has been hurting for the last couple of months every time I wash it, because I don't know how many curl buttons you counted, but enough. Enough. And my hair has always been extremely tangled. I'm sorry, I don't like this stuff on my hair. I cannot. On my hands or on my skin, but yeah. This is new. This is new. It's gonna take some getting used to. It's definitely gonna take some getting used to. But I can do it. Oh my gosh. I think I will need to cut my hair so low that it can't go in a bun one at a time in my life. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, except keep doing what I've been doing anyway, which is braid it. Alright, so I know it's about midnight. Wash it. I'll be back.
You're loving me.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
I've done what I can do. This is what I've ended up with. Basically, I'm trying to do the finger thing with the joint that never work out. I'm just rub up so many nights. Not a lot. I don't know. It freaks me out a little bit, the holy products in the air. When I was relaxed, I did like a whole lot of products in my hair. I really didn't use very many. And I might have to change that. But that's going to be a process for me. So I have this wire comb thing, the thing that can go all the way around. I've had it for a couple of years. It's jamity. And yeah, this is all I got. This in the back of my hair is so springy. It shrinks up more than the top, but the top curls, the curls here. I don't know if you can see when I put in my hair, but they have a lot of different textures, and up here, the curls are a lot looser than around here, and I can feel it, and I can. But I like it. I like it. I think I could work with this for a little bit. It has to go. I'm not used to this, but I will. Anyway, guys, I know it's been a long time. Like I'll put a video record, so this video ended long. Or maybe I'll split it into, I don't know. But anyway, this is what I've got. And we'll see. Like it'll be a learning curve for me for sure. I'm used to taking down my wraps, putting my hair in a ponytail and going. So it will definitely be a learning curve. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.